Hello, my name is Richard, owner of Hot Rod South. I'd like to tell you a little bit about our operation. I've been working on cars most of my life. 2 years ago, I decided to specialize in the restoration and customizing of Bel Airs, specifically 1955 to 1957. Being as passionate as I am about the Bel Airs, I decided to take the restoration process to a new level by implementing new technology. Giving an old classic a new feel is what we specialize in. By upgrading the drivetrain, suspension, brakes, and electrical, we achieve the best of both worlds. Thanks for your time. In just a moment, we're going to show you some examples of the work we can do for you.